That was, yeah. Sorry, I was like, what is he trying to do?
Maybe just jump to the. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.